He won't go back to gambling no more. There you go. There you go. There. I didn't know I could play one of these. Hey, I didn't know I could play one of these.
What was that song you were singing again?
The jailhouse rock, baby, come on, rock and roll. He's so full of blues, he's in the jailhouse now. He's in the county jailhouse, but the people in the jail seen him coming. But Robert shut him down, he went right back to gambling again. He correcting in the city limit. Robert told him if he got liquor, he's gonna clean up the town, but he did what he said he gonna do. Damn. He did what he said he's gonna do. But listen.